Hello children. So welcome back to another video tutorial. This is part 3 of your practice MCQ series on improvement in the food resources, chapter number 15 of your science NCERT for class 9, and this is practice MCQ video part 3 and it is presented by me Pooja Verma, your teacher. So let's get started. So before we begin, we have to follow certain rules that you should use a sheet of paper and pen to answer these questions, and if you have done it right, give yourself +1. If you have done it wrong or unattempt any question, then give yourself a 0. Children, listen very carefully to the explanation after attempting the question. Note down the most relevant one if you feel like, and don't forget to tell your marks in the comment section below along with your name. So let's get started. So the first question for this video is Apis dorsata and Apis florii are the varieties of dash B. I repeat, Apis dorsata and Apis florii are the species of dash B. And your options are A. Italian, B. American, C. Indian, and D. African. So take your time and mark the right answer, Apis dorsata and Apis florii. So children, correct answer for this question is option C, that is Indian bee. These two varieties, Apis dorsata and Apis florii, are the varieties of Indian honey bee. Next question. Unwanted plants in the cultivated fields are called. Okay, unwanted plants in the cultivated fields are called. And your options are A. Creepers, B. Grasses, C. Weeds, and D. Sudan grass. Here the keyword is the unwanted plant that grows along with your main crop in the cultivated field. So think about the options and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grows along with your main crop in the cultivated fields. Clear? Next question. Nutrients required by plants in large quantities are called. And your options are A. Macronutrients, B. Fertilizers, C. Micronutrients, and D. None of the above. If you have watched the previous part 1 and part 2, then these two concepts we have already covered, that what are macronutrients and what are micronutrients. So if you haven't watched that video, just go and watch and you can able to answer if you watch that video. So nutrients that is required by the plant in the large quantities. So take your time and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option A, that a macronutrient. Macro means what? Something large. Okay. So nutrients that is required in the large quantities is termed as macronutrient. Next question. Cattle used for farm labor are called. And your options are A. Draught cattle, B. Draught animals, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Here we are talking about the cattle that are specifically used as the farm labor. See children, you know very well that we have discussed in the previous video of the cattle farming that cattle is being categorized in 2 to 3 bases, just like milk cattle is there that is used for the milk purposes. So like here, the cattle which are used for as the farm laborers, तो उनके बारे में बताना है आपको. And options are draught cattle, draught animals, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Take your time, mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is both A and B. See, milk animals is basically required for the production of milk, and draught animals or draught cattle both are the same thing in the case of cattle farming. These animals are used as the farm laborers. ठीक है, वो farm में काम करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Moving forward, next question we have, organic substance of animal or pest plant origin that is added to the soil to increase its fertility and structure is called. I repeat the question again. Organic substance of animal or plant origin that is added to the soil to increase its fertility and structure is called. And your options are A, fertilizers, B, manures, C, nutrients, and D, none of the above. So read the question again and think well, then mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is manures. Okay, manures are the organic substance of plant or animal origin, basically, that is added to the soil to increase its fertility. Fine. Next question. Marine fish capture is done by using fishing nets guided by and dash and dash. And your options are A, echo sounders, B, radar, C, satellites, and D, both A and C. Okay, marine fish capture. ठीक है, वहां पे हम जो नेट यूज करते हैं उन्हें हम कैसे गाइड करते हैं? सो 2 blanks are there. Mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is both A and C. So echo sounders and satellites, both the things are being used to guide the nets in the case of marine fish capture. Next question. Crossing between genetically dissimilar plants is called. Crossing between genetically dissimilar plant. Okay, so this is the keyword over here, genetically dissimilar. And the options are A, droughting, B, hybridization, C, adaptability, and D, both B and C. Okay, so read the question well and then mark the right answer. Crossing between genetically dissimilar plants. And your options and your correct answer for this question is option B, that is hybridization. So hybridization is a process in which we cross over two genetically dissimilar plant in order to get the desired characters in the offspring or the progeny that is obtained. 8th question. Composting done using earthworms is called. And your options are A, decomposting, B, warming, C, feeding, and D, vermicomposting. Composting done using earthworm. You know children, earthworm is also termed as farmer's friend. क्यों कहते हैं उसको farmer friend? Don't forget to tell in the comment section that why earthworm is termed as farmer's friend. What the earthworm do in the crop fields. Farmer friend क्यों कहते हैं हम उसको? You have to write in the comment section. Okay. So read the options and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is vermicomposting. So composting that is done using the earthworm is termed as vermicomposting. 9th question. The science of growing vegetables and fruits and ornamental plants is called, and your options are A, hybridization, B, sericulture, C, pruning, and D, horticulture. So science of growing vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. See children, you know about vegetables and fruits. Ornamental plants are those which are used as for the show purpose. जिसको हम decoration के लिए या show purpose के लिए use करते हैं या उन्हें grow किया जाता है. So here's our option. Think about the options and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is horticulture. So horticulture is the branch of the science that deals with the growing vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. Fine. Last question for this video. Dash and dash levels kept high in the case of poultry feed पोल्ट्री फीड का मतलब है द सॉर्ट ऑफ फूड विच वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू द पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स व्हेन वी आर रियरिंग देम, ठीक है, व्हेन वी आर लाइक डोमेस्टिकेटिंग देम, तो हम उन्हें कैसा खाना खिलाना पसंद करते हैं. So it should have vitamin A. Option A is vitamin A. Option B vitamin K. Option C vitamin B. And option D vitamin both A and B. So what is your correct answer over here? So yes, many of you were guessed right, and we have already done in the class explanation video that both A and B. See, poultry feeds must contain high levels of vitamin A and vitamin K. Okay, so A भी important है and K भी important है. So correct answer is option D, that is A and B both. So children, that's all for this video. We have covered 10 MCQ type questions, which gives you an idea how to deal with MCQ type question, objective questions. So don't forget to tell your marks in the comment section below along with your name. And in the case children, if you have any problem, feel free to ask, okay? And thank you so much for listening to the video. In case of a doubt, please ask. And thank you so much. Have an awesome day.